guys, I'm here to tell you all about how I make money as a blogger online. Now just keep in mind, I'm not someone who typically talks about business and talks about the business space and aspect of this. I'm someone who blogs about home decor and design and affordable DIY ideas, but I have had so many questions about how I make money in this very strange online world. So I want to help answer your questions because I'm not here to sell a course. I'm not here to make money off of this, but I'm here because I want to consistently serve my audience and I want to tell you guys what works for me. And I don't know what is going on here, so just ignore some random scratch on me. All right, so the first thing everyone asks, isn't blogging dead? No. The answer is no, 1,000,000 times no. Please hear me when I say no. So people aren't reading blogs like they were back in 2010. They're not reading fun anecdotes about people's lives. That's what social media is for now. If you use a blog correctly as a tool, then it's gonna be your biggest asset for your business, and it's really gonna be the backbone of your income, like it is for me. And here's a few reasons why. Number one, you own your own blog. Let me tell you, unless you're the CEO of Instagram or Twitter or TikTok or Facebook, then you do not own your social media channels. It's just the harsh reality. You are building your business on someone else's platform that can be taken away and all the rules can be changed. When you own your own blog, that does not happen. When you build your own blog, you are building your website that is truly yours and that is not built on someone else's platform. Number two, your blog should be the backbone of your content. While you can talk about things in shorter snippets on social media channels, you should have the bulk of your content remain on your blog. A simple way to put this is that your social media channels can be seen as appetizers. They're still offering value, there's something that people will be excited to engage with, but they're not the whole meal. Your blog is the full meal. It answers all the questions and it has all the links and it's a comprehensive resource for your readers. Number three, it's a better long-term plan. Let's say you post gardening tips on your Instagram or Facebook account. That's great for a short-term hit, but if you want people outside of your social media followers to see that content weeks, months, even years down the road, you're gonna need it to stay on your blog. This way, when people are searching for specific gardening content online next summer, they can find your post. If you structure it the right way, you can provide those people with enough value, get them interested in your other content, and then eventually turn them into a loyal reader. If you approach your blog the right way, it can be the secret for your online success. I might talk about this in another video, so just let me know if it's helpful for you, and I will add more details about this later. But here's the goals that I have when I'm writing a blog post. I wanna make them full of value. I want to overserve people without asking for anything from them. I want to make my blog posts searchable so they can be found from Google and Pinterest, and I want to make them part of a bigger picture. If you can link to other relevant content on your site, then it can help to add even more value to people, and then you could potentially gain a new faithful reader from someone who just found you on a search for information. Okay, so before I talk about actual numbers of how much bloggers make, please realize that when I'm talking about these numbers, I'm talking about pre-taxed income. So anything that you make as a blogger is called self-employment tax. And that means you're getting a big chunk of money, but you have to take 30% of that away for taxes. So what you're hearing, these numbers are really 30% more of what the actual blogger is taking home as profit. All right, so I'm gonna pause this and let you know that if you have not actually set up your blog yet and you don't have it hosted through anyone, read my post. If you're starting your blog from square one, you're going to start with Google AdSense. You'll have to set them up on your website yourself. Don't get intimidated by this. You can basically YouTube and Google everything. Once your traffic picks up, you can apply to different companies that will help manage your ads for you. Mediavine is one of them. Once you have 25,000 sessions, not page views, per month, you can apply for Mediavine to manage your ads. AdThrive is the next one. This is the ad service that I use and can 1000% recommend them. You have to have 100,000 page views per month to apply. So really, how much money can you make on ads? Here's the thing. It varies widely between websites and between niches. When I was with Google AdSense, I was making pennies for years. Actual pennies for actual years. It was not a substantial source of income for me for a long time. Now that I'm signed up with AdThrive, I can make around $6 per 1,000 page views to $14 per 1,000 page views. And again, that still varies so much throughout the year. This is called your RPM. Lower RPMs happen generally in quarter 1 and 2, and advertisers ramp up their ad budgets in quarter 4, around the holidays. If you're doing the math, it means someone who's averaging 100,000 page views a month can expect to make between $600 to $1,400 a month on ads. And then you can do the math from there and see how the potential for making money with ad revenue is really a great way to generate income from blogging. The beauty about ad revenue is it's truly passive income. My ads are sitting on my blog, it's managed by AdThrive, which is a service that I do not have to pay for, and I can keep making money on these ads while I'm not actively working and promoting my posts. Affiliate links are a great way to set up your website for success right now if you're just starting, and it's going to really help to pay off later. An affiliate link is essentially a commission that you receive for recommending a product to a reader. They don't have to pay extra, and you don't have to worry about holding inventory for products. There are a bunch of ways you can begin to get affiliate income. I always tell people to diversify in every area of blogging. When it comes to affiliate marketing, diversifying your platforms is really important as well. We're currently in the middle of a pandemic, and companies can choose to, and have chosen to, lower their affiliate percentages drastically. Thankfully, I diversified my income enough that while this isn't ideal, it doesn't break my business. Here are the affiliate networks that I'm currently a part of. Number 1, Amazon Associates. Amazon affiliate payments are paid out monthly. There's no minimum payment threshold that you have to meet. Amazon affiliate links are the biggest chunk of my affiliate income. The beauty of Amazon linking is that basically everything you might want to recommend is on Amazon. All right, the next one is called Reward Style. This is also known as Like to Know It. That's part of their program. This is what makes up the next largest chunk of my affiliate income. I get paid bi-weekly. You have to have over $100 due to you every other week to get paid regularly. It took me a while to get to that point, but over the past few years, I've been able to be paid bi-weekly regularly. Through this platform, you only get commission on sales that you make, not for clicks on those sales. I believe it's invite only. If you need an invitation and have a website or social media set up where your business would be a good fit for affiliate linking, then leave your email in the comments below and I will reach out to you and see if I can personally invite you to the platform. The next one is called Shop Your Likes. This is a pay-per-click model and it works best for platforms like Instagram stories. You do not get commission for purchases, but you do receive a few cents per click to a retailer's website. Your price per click can go up if you get consistent sales from your links, and your price per click can go down if you don't get a lot of sales from your links. I've put links in my Instagram stories and also on my blog, but I haven't seen great success with these links embedded in my blog. Nothing like the first 2 networks that I listed, but I have had good success for using them in short form content like a Facebook post or an Instagram story. There are many other affiliate networks that you can be part of, such as Commission Junction, Share a Sale, Shop Style Collective, and way more. I've been a part of all of those and I've seen success for periods of time, but my consistent top 3 earners are the ones that I just talked about. So again, let's bring it back to why your blog is so important. I post affiliate links to my blog posts naturally, like products that you would need to complete a DIY project or home decor that you have to buy to style a room. I then can market that blog post on my social media. I will probably see some affiliate and ad revenue from that. But that really important part of that post is the recurring, it's called evergreen traffic that you get from Google and from Pinterest. Do you notice what's happening? Once you start getting recurring traffic from Google and from Pinterest and other search engines, then your ad revenue is going to go up. And if you have well-placed affiliate links that make sense in your content, then your affiliate income will go up as well. I get contacted by a brand, or you can reach out to a brand too, who wants me to partner with them, usually via Instagram messages, email, or a platform I'm a part of that brings brands and content creators together. All right, before you go on, you research the company and make sure that they're amazing. As a blogger, my credibility is on the line when I do these partnerships. If I recommend a product or a company that's junk, then my readers are going to lose trust in me. Make sure that it fits with your overall message and niche. If it doesn't, it's going to fall flat. It doesn't work well for either you or the company. Sometimes I get offers that would be really beneficial financially, but it's an awkward fit for my site and readers. Since I have to keep my site set on my long-term goals, that trust that I've built with my readers is more important than a nice paycheck from one sponsored post. You have to be able to say no. It will make your yes that much more valuable. I ask them for more specifics of the work they're looking for and the time frame that they're looking for the project. I have a general price point for sponsored posts, but I increase the price if it's a tight turnaround time or a larger project that will take more time or resources to make happen. I write back with my asking price for the work and give them an outline of what services I can provide for them. Examples are search engine optimized blog posts, X number of pins to my Pinterest boards over X amount of time, social shares across all accounts, etc. The brand accepts, asks to negotiate pricing, or declines. If they accept, then they send over a contract. It's usually multiple pages and has a whole lot of things to read through before you sign. You agree on dates for posting and deliverables that you will be able to give to the brand. Oftentimes, the brand will ask for approval for posts before they go live, so I will often work on recording Instagram stories, putting text over them, then sending them over to the brand for approval. I will write a blog post out and put it into a document to send to the brand for approval, and then there are usually a few revisions that need to be made before actually publishing the content. All right, the next way bloggers make money is through product sales. This is something that I am working on and really focusing my attention and efforts on. and I've had great success in it so far. But with every new aspect that's new to my business, there's a lot of trial and error, effort, and challenges along the way. Product sales can be broken up into two categories. The first one is physical products. Physical products come with a whole learning curve when it comes to pricing, shipping, inventory, etc. But if it fits with your blog's niche, then it can work really well to offer physical products to go along with your content. Etsy is an easy way to sell these products, but you can also go and get more technical and offer products directly through your website with a platform like WooCommerce. And the next way is through digital products. Online courses are the wave of the future for sure. With the crazy fast growing online education world, bloggers are at a prime spot to leverage their platforms in this area. We've been teaching people for years and we have a handle on what our audience wants to learn from us. Courses can be a lot of work to set up. Trust me, I worked online for months before finally launching it to my audience. But if you set it up correctly, you will not need to put out as much effort after your course is in the hands of the people who have purchased it. Another digital resource that I see bloggers doing well with is presets. I do not offer presets. I've had friends who have had great success offering Lightroom presets as a lower priced digital product offering for their readers. And finally, digital downloads are another way to make money off of product sales online. I know of many people who offer paper products that are bought as digital PDFs and then the purchaser prints them out on their end. Again, another great way to offer a product to your readers but not have to worry about shipping or inventory. Since we're talking about actual numbers here, I typically charge between $2,500 and $4,800 for a sponsored post, which includes all the prep work ahead of time, the post itself, all the social media shares, and all the deliverables that I promised the brand. All right, so hear me loud and clear. Blogging is a lot of work. It is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires you to be flexible, to pour into your readers in a genuine way, and to constantly be willing to learn the next new thing. I love my job and the creativity that it requires from me on a daily basis, and I'm so thankful that I can do this full-time job in a flexible way that works for my family. But that does not mean that it's easy. It's a lot of behind-the-scenes work. It's late nights, dry shampoo, and doing work that no one's ever gonna see behind the scenes. Okay, that was a lot of information for one video, and again, all the stuff is in the blog post that I linked below, so you can have it out in written format so you can reference back and see what I was really talking about with some of these things. Can you let me know if this was helpful for you guys in the comments? I'm getting questions from you guys on my Instagram about how to actually get traffic to your website, so I can talk about that another day if there is more interest. So please let me know if that would be something that would be helpful for you. Again, if you can like this video, click the thumbs up and subscribe. It would mean so much to me. And follow me over on Instagram for more behind the scene looks. My Instagram handle is @ChristinaMariaBlog. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope I was able to answer some of your questions, how bloggers make money online, because it is a weird world and it is different for everyone, but this has been my personal experience and I hope that it was helpful.